Hey folks, we're on another one. This is an intro to the Endless Summer series. In this series, we're going to be doing it: the oil cooler, the air cleaner, including the pre-filter, the cells flap, rust repair and new seals, the headliner and head banger. The great part about doing this right now is for the last month it's been 100 to 114 degrees outside. And why wait till this fall or even winter to do some of these when I could be out enjoying the cooler weather? That's the key for some of these summertime projects, like the oil cooler. Enlarge the air tube for the air cleaner. Try to get some more air through the motor. The air breather, put electrical fuel pump, add another hose to the breather box. Ventilate the breather box to the air cleaners. That kind of stuff will really help the longevity of the engine, which right now, anytime you do something new, it's going to be, you're going to have to get the bugs out of it. It's just not going to work right away. And if you do something jinky, you're going to have to fix it. Either on the road or down the road or whatever, it's going to have to be fixed. Let's get on this kick-ass Endless Summer series.